Morning all. Am I audible?
Good morning.
Am I audible, guys? Are you able to see the screen which I'm sharing? Are you able to see the screen which I'm sharing?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I hope you guys is already joined in the yesterday demo session. Same things. Almost I covered all the things on the yesterday session. Today we are going to see only roles and responsibilities. And once these roles and responsibilities are explained, and I will give some session to you guys to ask your doubts. I will clarify your doubts and will close the session. From Monday onwards, the classes will be started. If you are interested to join in the course, please be confirmed by the today or tomorrow to your institute people. The course will be started. Even 2 or 3 persons are joined also. The course will be started from Monday. Okay, the free classes is completed by today, so no longer are available to attend for the free classes from Monday. Okay, are you getting what I'm telling?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see what are the roles and responsibilities. If anyone is joined newly to this today demo, please watch the previous demo also. I already shared the recording to your institute people. If anyone is joined only today, please watch the recording sessions from your institute people and go through recording after completion of this demo. Okay. So actually, as I said that in this demo, I'm going to explain the roles and responsibilities and some more new topics, right? So due to some work, I'm not able to explain the new topic further today. I'm just going through the roles and responsibilities what the tester has to do, and after that, I will give some time to you guys to ask your doubts. Once it is done, we'll close the session for the day. Okay. So these are the testing roles and responsibilities. I think someone is on their video, please off. Okay, fine. So testing roles and responsibilities. Here the list of roles and responsibilities are available in the PPT, which is available on the screen. The first one is about analyzing the requirements from user stories. Okay. If you want to understand what is the analyzing the requirements from user stories, first you are seeing this term new. User stories is a new term you are seeing here. User stories is nothing but whenever the customer came to the software company, the customer tell their requirements. I need login page, I need sign up page, I need add to cart button. Whenever the customer selected the product, that product has to be added to the add cart. And these features has to be explained with the help of the customer to the software company, right? So while explaining, once the project is confirmed, agreement, everything is completed, confirmed, the business analyst, scrum master, developer, tester, project manager, architects all together will arrange a meeting and will divide a user stories. The story has to be completed within this sprint. Sprint is nothing but 12 days of work is called as a sprint. Okay. So that is called user stories. User story is nothing but like a one story which has to be completed. For example, Zomato application is there. For the Zomato application, ordering food from the restaurants is a one feature, right? That feature is called as a one user story in the Zomato application. Okay. Your role is to analyze the requirements. From that feature, order the food in the Zomato feature. What are the requirements? You have to analyze. That is your first role and responsibility. And second one is understanding functionality of the feature. As I said just now, the ordering the food in the Zomato application, you should know the functionality. What are the possible ways to order a food in the Zomato? We are having multiple ways to order a food, right? So a lot of possibilities are there. You have to check all the possibilities. You have to understand all the possible functionalities of that feature. Then only you will get it, right? So that is called understanding functionality of feature. And third one is work closely with the development staff in all phases of development. Yesterday I explained the software development lifecycle phases. What are they? Can anyone? SDLC phases. No one. No one is attended in the yesterday session. What is mean by software development lifecycle phases? How many are available?
Uh, I think five,
Six. What are they?
six. Yeah, six. Like
What
commands,
are they?
development and testing, deploy, maintenance.
Are you guys
Hi.
able to hear me? Please
Yeah.
respond.
Now we can
Okay,
hear.
fine. Okay. And next responsibility is communicate more with developers and end users. If the testers communicate with the developers and the end users is nothing but the customers, then only you will get it. What is the requirement from the customer and how the developer is developed, right? So you should communicate more with the developers and end users. And next one is participating in preparing test plans. Participating in preparing test plans. In further sessions, you know what is meant by test plans. And next one is preparing test scenarios. Next one is preparing test scenarios. You know what is meant by test scenario in the further classes. And the test cases, test data, test environment, and all these terms you are new for the day. But coming classes, you know what is meant by test scenario, what is meant by test case, what is meant by test data, what is meant by test plan, and how to write the test cases. Everything will be clearly explained in the sessions. Don't worry about that. Okay. Don't confuse about the terms which you are seeing newly here. Okay. As you are new to the course, most of 90% of the terms you will be new. Is it fine now? Still, you guys are not able to hear my voice. Respond, guys.
Now it's good.
Okay. About analyzing the test cases prepared by the other team. For example, your team consists of 4 or 5 members. Total 200 cases has to be written by the 5 members. Each person separate taken 40 cases, 40 cases like that. Once your colleagues written the 40 cases, you have to analyze the test cases, how the team member written those cases, and you have to analyze and review the cases. The cases which is written by you is reviewed by you other colleague. The cases which is written by other colleague has to be reviewed by you. Okay. And next one is defect tracking. Defect tracking is nothing but we are having a Jira tool. We are going to track the defects. If you found any bugs or issues, you people have to create those defects or bugs in the Jira tool. Okay. Next one is giving mandatory information of a defect to a developer in order to fix it. You found a bug. If you convey the why that bug is happening to the developer, then only the developer fix it, right? If you haven't given the proper information about the bug, the developer will not able to fix that error, right? You should give the proper information and retesting the bugs. Once that bug is fixed, once that bug is fixed, that has to be retested by you. That has to be retested by you, right? So next one is preparing suggestion documents to improve the quality of application. These are the all are manual roles and responsibilities. Okay, manual roles and responsibilities. Coming to the automation testing roles and responsibilities, nothing, no need of all these things. All these things is done by the manual testers only. Once the manual tester has written the test cases, the automation tester will take those test cases and he will try to automate the cases which are possible to do the automation. All the cases is not possible to do the automation. Sometimes the code is changing every time for that application. For that, it's not possible to do the automation. For that, it's not possible to do the automation. Getting my point? This is all about the roles and responsibilities from the manual and automation testing. And that's it for the day. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now. Actually, the syllabus, the course content, the timings of the courses, everything is explained in the yesterday's demo session. I already shared the recording also. If you missed it once, go through that recording. And if you have any doubts regarding the course or else IT market, you can ask me now. No one has doubt. You should have doubts. If you are guys are really want to learn any course, you should have doubts. But no one is asking. Anjaneyulu, Bhavya, Indi, Jyoti, Manjula. Five people are there. Five people don't have any doubts so far. Please respond, guys. Nothing to explain
Harsha,
on the demo session. I already explained everything in the yesterday, right? Sorry, you are asking something?
yeah, are you gonna provide the sample project, right?
Yes, for the manual, I will provide the sample project and the automation.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show it what we are going to automate. This is a sample application which helps to you guys to learn the basic things in the automation. We are going to automate this sample application, ITERA.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yes. Anything else?
No, I'm good.
Actually, I plan to tell one more new topic for the day. Actually, some power issue is there on my area. I'm not able to take a long hour session for the day. That's why I'm explaining the roles and responsibilities. I'm giving 5 or 10 minutes slot for you guys to ask your doubts. Actually, I plan to explain how to write the test cases,
Uh,
but charging is not available in my laptop. Some power issue is there on my side. So I'm not able to take the long hour session. That's why I'm planning to close the session within 5 or 10 minutes.
okay.
If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I will clarify you to you. From the Monday, as usual, classes will be started. Saturday, Sunday, I just said that the classes are not available on the Saturday, Sundays. Okay. There is
It's in.
assignment sessions will be there on the Saturday and Sunday from next weekend. Not this weekend because the course is starting from Monday, right? So I'm going to give assignment sessions from the Saturday and Sunday. If you have any doubts, please note it those assignment issues on that weekend and you can ask on the Monday screening session. Yes, Jyoti, you're asking something. Go on.
No, same timings, right? Like 8 to 9.
Sorry,
From,
timings, right? You're
from,
asking.
from Monday, it's 8 to 9, right? Morning?
Yes, yes, every day 8 to 9 only, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. If there is any changes, it might be half an hour before or after based on some inconveniences. That's it. The mostly 99% 8 to 9 will be there. Okay, no one has doubts. If no one has doubts, I will close the session. The charging also came to dead, I think, on my laptop.